Far out in our solar system, the giant planet Jupiter is putting on a constant, spectacular light show. These are Jupiter's auroras, thousands of times bigger and more powerful than Earth's northern lights. To understand them, NASA sent the Juno spacecraft to fly closer than ever before, right through the particles that create the aurora. But Juno has a problem. When it's close, its view is like looking through a keyhole. It can't see the big picture, and it only gets this close-up view for a few hours every 2 weeks. How do you solve this? You call for backup from the most famous telescope of all. From millions of miles away, Hubble acts as Juno's eye in the sky, capturing the entire aurora all at once. Hubble provides the global context, watching for planetary-scale storms or changes in the aurora. This lets scientists understand what Juno's super-detailed measurements actually mean. For the first time ever, they can even look at both poles simultaneously. This cosmic tag team helps us understand the physics of magnetic fields, which create auroras and protect planets. It's a perfect partnership, combining a close-up look with the wide-angle view to unlock the secrets of the biggest planet in our solar system.